trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
We're taking our stacker, which is behind those pine trees. This is our stacker. In the summertime, we've been making topsoil for 2.5, 3 years now. I'll get into more topsoil stuff later. It's an older stacker, and we're sending it away to a guy whose specialty just works on these. And he's going to rebuild parts that need to be rebuilt, get it all in working order for the coming up season. Okay, so essentially we're taking that stacker, like I said, up to Kingston area. And if you're from around the area, then you know that that's about an hour-and-a-half drive from kind of where we are. How we hook up to that? Basically, it's a fifth wheel trailer that hooks in the same way that this hooks into any standard kind of truck. Man, it is slippy out today. So what we're gonna do is start up our Western Star. We're gonna unhook the hitch here, get rid of this trailer, and then we're gonna go jack up that with the built-in hydraulic jacks on it and hook into it. And we're gonna clear some snow first with the 308 excavator.
Trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record.
Okay, well, we got all this cleared out. I'm gonna pull up on this thing and try to get it up and shift it over so that the truck can just come in, slide underneath, hook up to the fifth wheel. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't moved in a while. I'll have to remove those chocks on the wheels and maybe try to actually start it and see if we can get it rolling. All right, well, now that we got that fired up, I think what we're actually gonna do is I'll probably be able just to sneak right in here, hook up underneath it. So what I'm gonna do is clear this snow away so that the truck can back right in and we'll be good to go.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball.
Okay, so these jacks have these pins in them. This pin here comes in the inside here. So all I gotta do is pull that pin out and then hammer these pins out, which will allow me to jack up and down, because right now these pins are holding it in place. Well, we got everything hooked up now. Fifth wheel hitch got slid back. It was seized before, so we got it back here now. And she's all hooked up. And we just checked and the lights are all working. See, we got light there. They're dim, but they're on. We're ready to haul.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Well, we made it. Look at all this beautiful equipment. McCluskey, beautiful. And then you got our old stacker, the most reliable one here.
Trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. So y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record. Trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me.